Yes, go ahead.
On the topic of activities prior to Shacharis, I was wondering, are we allowed to take our dogs out quickly to relieve themselves by the curb in order for them not to suffer?
Yeah, I would say yes, especially if it's early enough. If it's possible, for example, if it's possible to take him early before the time for the prayers arrive, it would be the best. So the time for the prayer is at dawn. So if you take him before the dawn, there is no problem whatsoever. So, but after the dawn, if it's quick, yeah, an animal is going to suffer, but still there's minimum things to say. So we have to say morning blessings. We have to say blessing on the Torah, of course, and Shema. At least the Shema Israel in the first paragraph. That's it. That's enough, and you can go. So basically, what is it? I don't know, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Yeah, you can go.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.